So good morning, each one of you. So today we'll start NCRT workbook, worksheet number 19 and chapter 10, respiration in organisms. So kindly children write your name, class, section, roll number. First MCQs are there. Tick the correct option. First is which of the following is correct sequence of passage during inhalation? So kindly raise your hand, those who know the answer. You have to find the correct sequence. First is nostril, larynx, pharynx, trachea, lungs. So tell me what is a proper sequence? Nostril, lungs, trachea, nostril, trachea, pharynx, larynx, alveoli. So according to you, which one is the correct one? Anybody, any idea which one is the correct option? Option 1 is the correct one. Option A. Next is, which of the following is not correct for the process of breathing in air? Which is not correct? You have to tell. For breathing in air. Yes, Anya Jain.
Ma'am, air rushes into our lungs.
This is not correct. Anybody else? Anybody else who want to give the answer? Yes, Nishchay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, C part diaphragm is curved upwards.
Okay. So this is C part. Option, right? Option is C part. Yes, beta. The first, just listen to it correctly. That process of breathing in. When you breathe in, air rushes to our lungs. It is correct. Ribs are raised. Correct. The volume of chest increases. That is also correct. So C option is not right. Okay. Number 3, statement 1. Taking in of oxygen is inhalation. Statement 2. Breathing rate is a number of inhalation and exhalation in 1 minute. So you have to tell both the statements are correct or anyone is correct. Yes, Sejal.
Ma'am, I think both statements are correct.
Okay. Naman Jain.
Yes, ma'am, both the statements are correct.
Kavya Thakur.
Yes, ma'am. Statement 1 is correct, but statement incorrect.
No, beta, it is correct. Breathing rate is that inhalation and exhalation per minute. That is also a breathing rate.
Ma'am, inhalation and exhalation dono.
Yes. One inhalation, one exhalation. That will be counted as one breathe. Ribs are a part of human respiratory system. Skeleton structure surrounding the chest cavity. Muscular floor. So what will be the answer? It's the skeleton system surrounding the chest cavity. Next is, in unicellular organisms, oxygen is absorbed through lungs, diffused into cells, spiracles. So children, we are talking about the unicellular organism. So unicellular organism, they are already made up of one cell. So the oxygen will be diffused into the cells. So you have to mark number 5. C option is correct. Diffused into cells. Okay. Next is, let me clear it. Number 6 is, complete the following statement and using appropriate words. Number Yes, who has raised hand? Kindly let me know. Those who know the answer. First is breathing involves the movement of dash and the dash. Movement of, tell me children, these all are the
Diaphragm and ribcage.
Ma'am, diaphragm and ribs.
okay. Ribs and diaphragm. Go for the next. On
Ma'am, next is ma'am.
land, frog
Ma'am,
breathes
on the
through.
land. Ma'am, lungs and skin.
Lungs. Ma'am, frog breathes through lungs, and in water it breathes through moist skin.
Yes. Okay, lungs, and it breathes through moist skin. Next, respiration involves dash of food and release of dash. Involves breakdown of food.
Ma'am, breakdown of food and release of energy.
Yes. And release of energy. Next, in plants, each part can respire dash of others. So tell me what can be the answer for it. So in answer 4, that will be independently. In plants, each part can respire independently. Next, number C is we have to find the odd one out. So just see what is the yeast, anaerobic respiration, glucose, alcohol, and oxygen. So oxygen will be odd one out because yeast is anaerobic respiration, and if the
Oxygen.
glucose in breakdown, then alcohol is formed. Next is inhalation, exhalation, ribs moves upward, diaphragm moving downward. So tell me which one is the odd one out. Exhalation. Next is spiracle, trachea, cockroach, earthworm. So you may write down
Those
trachea.
spiracles.
No, spiracle is correct. Why
Ma'am,
spiracle? Spiracle is correct. Earthworm or trachea. Earthworm or trachea, anybody, anything is trachea, you can say. Next is very short answer type questions. List, look at the given diagram and answer the following questions. What happened when the rubber sheet is pulled downward? So children, we have done already this experiment. You can tell me what happens when this rubber sheet is pulled downward. Okay, children, now next question number D part, very short answer type question. Look at the diagram and answer the following question. What will happen if the rubber sheet is pulled downward? Yes, Vansh, you have to tell. What happens when the rubber sheet
Yes,
is pulled downward? You can see the diagram, children. Yes.
Ma'am, when we pull rubber sheet downwards, so ma'am, the air is filled in balloon. And,
Yes, yes.
And then the second is when we push the rubber sheet upwards, ma'am, air comes out from the balloons.
So children, this, yes.
So in this, the balloons are doing the work of lungs, rubber sheet is doing the work of diaphragm, and the plastic bottle is doing the work of our respiratory system.
Okay. So children, this is the mechanism of lungs, how the lungs work. When the rubber sheet, you have to write down the answers. If the rubber sheet is pulled down, that air gets filled in the lungs or in the balloons. And if the sheet is pulled upward, then the air comes out of. So by this model, we can show the process of inhalation and exhalation. Next, what do you this represent in the diagram? Balloons. Balloons क्या represent कर रहे हैं? Lungs. Kindly write down here.
Lungs. Some lungs.
Balloons are representing lungs. Rubber sheet is diaphragm. And what are the plastic bottles are representing? Plastic bottles are representing what?
Ma'am, rib cage.
Yes, it is a rib cage. Plastic bottle is rib cage. Next question number 2. Sandeep breathed out when air from his mouth on the mirror. The mirror become cloudy. Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? So you have to find the answer.
No moisture on you.
So we will Continue with the next question number 2. Sandeep breathed out some air from his mouth on the mirror. The mirror becomes cloudy. What can be the reason for it? So children, this on blowing air from the mouth, the mirror becomes moist. Why it is moist or cloudy or hazy, we can say. This happens because the air from when we breathe out air from the mouth, that is hot, and mirror is cold. So the hot air that we breathe out contains water vapor, which then turns into the tiny droplets of water. So this is by the process of condensation, you may say. You have to write down this, children, the reason for it. Next comes complete the following equations of the process of respiration. Yes. So first equation is, yes, Nishchay Jain. Glucose.
Glucose in the presence of oxygen gives energy plus carbon dioxide and water.
Okay. So here energy plus carbon dioxide plus water can be released.
B part. Glucose
CO2.
in the absence of
एक मिनट बेटा,
oxygen.
एक मिनट. CO2 plus energy. Energy will be released. This is for number 1. For number 2, glucose, what will happen? Energy plus
Alcohol and carbon dioxide.
yes. Plus CO2. Okay, next is बेटा इसको CO2 को जरा ठीक कर लेना. It will be CO2. Capitals में लिखना है हमें. Next, number C part, what will be released?
Energy plus lactic acid.
Okay, energy plus lactic acid.
Lactic acid.
Yes. Next is equation C shows the process occurring in muscles.
Muscles.
Anaerobically or no, the process has been. This shows the process occurring in muscles.
And muscles respire anaerobically.
Yes, muscles respire. Which of the following above process yield the maximum number of the energy? So you have to tell out of these, which process will be having the maximum number of amount of energy. So it will be in process 1. Next, what is breathing rate? And state the factor on which it depends. Yes, okay, tell Anya.
The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. On an average, an adult human being at rest breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute.
Okay, so breathing rate you have to tell, and on which factor it depends. It depends upon the factor whether the person is at the normal, means normal state pe hai, or either it is the person is walking, doing exercise, moving, means whatever the different states can be there. So you may write the answers for it. Okay, so kindly write down the answers on complete. Your worksheet number 19 is complete now.